Here we are out here today. Trump duck. What do you know about Trump duck? Here we are out here today. Track pretty much in ruins, dude. I wouldn't call this a state of ruins, but it's pretty fucking bad. But this is the track, right? Kind of like drift area, right? Swing around, come up. Try to put a little jump there. I don't know if that's gonna work out, right? Continue on, kind of widens out, maybe pass somebody, then swing around the tree. Got a little banked area. I keep trying to work on, dude. It's right. It's the thing. Swing around the tree, come back, still pretty wide, right? Come in, swing in, another more kind of slippery area, right? Back out, U-turn around the little situation. Let me clear rock. Flags, man. I hope none of the flags went into the neighbor's yard because the wind be crazy. But anyway, and peep game. It's a little shortcut because right, really, you swing around here and you come this way and swing back. But like, if you're crazy enough, you could just take the shortcut jump. And then like, or whatever, call that the Joker if you want to, if you wanted to. But yeah, and see how layers of the track is weird in certain parts. It's like, it's the wooden part trying to make the bank kind of cardboard, and then grass mat, and then tarp, and right, and like, state of the track is a mess, but thank Lord Ganesh. Right, the hypergo 14303 and the arrma Fury, right? This dude is probably quicker with his 8S EDF. This guy has a 17-pound thrust, 12S system. So this dude's crazy, but dude, that dude is just crazy. But yeah, I haven't even tested this guy yet, but just, he's brushless already, and this is just stock system, just like 2S lipo in here, right? And just, sorry for the mess, but like, we're losing sunlight here. Sun is like, you know what I mean? So I'm just trying to get something done today, but like, you know what I mean? The struggle is a struggle, like, I'm trying to just get out here and do something instead of worrying about the bodies and this and that, and you know what I mean, make them pretty after they run. I'm just trying to make them run. All right, so like, which one are we gonna? I'm more familiar with this crazy ass little weird ass little. How about we try to go with this guy right here? Hey, video is not for kids, but watch it if you want to. Like, I don't care. All right, losing light, but very first time we're gonna test the Fury, stock Fury, 2S lipo, we believe, and 6S to the 12S EDF system. So only 6S to the EDF, and I don't know, should we do a lap without the EDF first? Let's try to do a lap without the EDF first, yeah. So first time even driving the Fury, first time around the track with the Fury, and it has the weight of the EDF stuff on it, but let's just try to get a lap first, right? Let's turn the Fury up to 100% throttle, I think, right? Yeah, okay, here we go. So, stock Fury, well, with the weight of my EDF system, 100%, all that stuff, just 2S, not a high C rating, but hey man, stock Fury. So like, it does pretty good and it kinda can do donuts, but it kind of hooks up and then starts to push a little wide, so I start to let off. Ooh, see, started to push way too wide, and I'm just full pin and playing with the throttle, but like I'm trying to full throttle to make it spin and it just won't spin. So now, hey, let's turn on the EDF while we got a little bit of sunlight, and like I'm already turning on track lights, like. And maybe I should explain this first or explain this later, but I don't have the right ESC in the arrma yet, and so my EDF is not hooked up to my throttle. The EDF is hooked up to my steering. So basically, I have to be full pinned left, I believe, or I'm gonna be full pinned left to have my EDF off. And when I start to release from full left pin, it's gonna start to turn the EDF on. Only on 6S, not 12. But that's how I'm gonna trigger the EDF to turn on. And so we're gonna have fun and see what this does. This is so fucking weird, dude. Excuse the French. I've never driven like this. I'm full pinned and it's controlling the EDF throttle. And the car is also full left, right? So I can't drive the track like this, folks. Right? Like, but my throttle is still just throttle and brake for the wheels. So it's like I can move just with the gas, like. But the EDF is just. Hey, so let's run it. Let's get it. Shit, I said not to run the track. I'm running the track. This is crazy. Oh shit, I'm in the rocks already, man. I better stop. Or at least do this in the daytime, right? This when I tried to go right, it sped up the EDF, so I spun out. Like, what the? Should we do it again? The shock's not set up right either. I need more springage because I have a lot more weightage, right? Springage, weightage. But, bro, the throttle control, the EDF throttle is on the steering. And, bro, that turn right there again, that right hand is great. But let's see if I could do it. I did it. Fucking did it. Fucking doing it. Fucking doing it. Oh shit. Fucking doing it. Fucking doing it. Hell yeah. hit a fucking light and flipped, bro. I'm dead in the water, dude. Damage report. Right, damage report. The screen came off. Because I'm just trying to glue it in front for a cleaner look and wrapping it around. But dude, I'm gonna have to wrap it around like the old school days because it just works the old way. But it's on the car. It's good. Like EDF still strapped on everything. I wasn't going that fast, but man. Oh, I hit a fucking light and flipped, bro. I'm dead in the water, dude. So it's the entire weight of the EDF and the battery. And I'm being a wimp because I don't want to turn it over and like disconnect the EDF before I turn it on. So you kind of can, nah, that's not true. The car, it's like, it's way slower than normal. Like, but like, you see, like it can move. I'm more like trusty on the drift surface. I can punch it a little, but let's turn on the EDF and really do something. Dude, I turned off the car completely, but then I just plugged up the EDF, and because I got like dual power going to the ESC, the car just turned on by itself. But anyway, I think we're ready to go, so I gotta just turn up the throttle trim. Why? Because that's how I have to arm it with it low, but like turn it up kind of back to the car's normal level, and then release the throttle, right? And try to control it. Wish me luck. I don't know if I can make it a lap around the track, dude, but let's see. Because if I slow down too much, it's going to go crazy. And if I just keep trying to roll with it, it's going to traction. But let's see. Let's see. Let's go. Let's use the other car already, man. Man, it's already failure. $6S to the EDF, 2S to the four-wheel drive system. This is the J6 Jet Noise Huge Motors. Let's go. First time testing it on dirt. Windy, cold, Vegas. Let's go. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, got a Nerf dart, if you could peep. Alright, gonna launch it one more time. I don't know, man, like it feels like it's sticking, but it's just digging. It's too low for the dirt. I don't know, I gotta raise the ride height or something, but let's just try to launch it, right? Let's see what happens. That quick, we lost the strap. That fucking quick, we lost the strap. But back to the lab.